Welcome. If you're tired of getting constant notifications every time someone sends an attachment through Gmail, you're in the right place. Today, I'll walk you through the updated and simple way to turn off those attachment notifications on your phone, so you can enjoy a quieter, more focused inbox without missing important messages. First, grab your phone and head over to your settings. This is usually the app with a gear icon. Once you're in Settings, scroll down and find the section labeled Apps. Tap on that, and you'll see a list of all the apps installed on your device. Next, scroll through your apps until you find Gmail, then tap on it. This will open up all the information and options specific to the Gmail app. From here, look for the Notifications option and select it. This will show you all the different types of notifications Gmail can send. Now tap on Notification Categories. This is where Gmail breaks down notifications into different types, so you can customize what alerts you get. Under the Miscellaneous section, you'll see an entry labeled Attachments. This is the one responsible for those attachment notifications you're getting. All you need to do is toggle the Attachments notification off. This will immediately stop Gmail from sending you alerts specifically about attachments, while still keeping other important notifications active, like new email alerts or important updates. And that's it. Just like that, you've successfully turned off those attachment notifications and created a more streamlined notification experience. You can always come back and toggle it back on if you change your mind later. Thanks for watching. Now, with one less distraction, you can focus better on what really matters in your inbox. If you found this helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more simple tech tips and updates.